Okay, so in this video we're just going to have a quick look at where we change the SEO for each particular page. So as you can see, we've got the pages here. So any of these pages, if you go to them, if they're a standard page, a shop page, whatever, as long as they're not just a non-clickable page, you'll be able to put SEO, search engine optimization, metadata into it. So you go down to SEO settings, and you can see here you've got the name of the page, which comes up here. Sorry, the title of the website. The name of the page or the permalink for the page is here. The name that we are naming it is here. Okay, so this is a permanent link and indexes the home page. And then we've got page description. So this should be keywords, and it should be relevant keywords to what you're doing. And this is the information in this description which will come up in a Google search underneath your web address. So it'll be the summary that's seen on a Google page. And then under that there's meta keywords. So this is just literally keywords and phrases, and you separate each one with a comma, and that's for when a bot is searching and scraping the web. Okay, so this is more so for humans and this is more so for bots, but the two are red. Okay, so that's how you change the SEO settings, and I hope that makes some sense to you. Thanks a lot.